hot and ready to go.
Alright, this is Tennessee tree removal.
That's how we do it down here, y'all.
See what we can do here.
All you need is an SK and a bag of boom stuff.
Bag of boom, you ready?
Watch closely. Keep your eye on the... Yeah! That was a loud son of a gun right there, let me tell you.
Listen. You're gonna have the walk on.
Yeah, yeah, the cops probably show up, I'd say.
Boy. Let them show up. It's legal.
Legal, we bought it legal. It's alright. We're gonna walk over here and see what it did.
Let me unload here. Let me get safe.
Hold on, he's getting safe. That's what we do. It's about safety.
Alright, we're good.
Okay, we're unloaded. Yeah, you're an accessory aspect now. So Dad will be out here kicking my ass in a minute, so let's walk over here and look at it first. Wow. Look here, look at this limb right here. This is actually part of the tree.
It blew half the tree out.
Look there.
Man, look at this back.
There's another limb. Goodness gracious.
And look at all around it. Look how clear it is.
Look at that.
You
Y'all see it? Right there, just tore it up, let me tell you.
gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Wow.
Cool.
That is cool.
Tennessee tree removal.
10-4, over and out.